Hey friends, what's up? So, if you are struggling with hearing issues, tinnitus, mental fog, short memory, unable to focus, all these things that are linked towards your hearing and your brain, then today I have the best supplement to talk to you guys about. It is called Audifort, okay? Now, Audifort is actually a plant-based dietary supplement. It was designed to support and protect your hearing health using over 20 natural ingredients. And of course, the best ingredients Mother Nature has to offer. The cool thing about Audifort, you see, is that it is strictly natural. So A, there's no side effects, and B, anyone can use it. All right. The cool thing is that Audifort was formulated to help you reduce any sort of inflammation, enhance circulation to your ears, and support brain clarity. All of this aimed at preserving and improving auditory function at the same time. So, without further ado, if you want to get your hands on your very own Audifort, there's a link for you right down here below this video in the description box, guys. You learn more about Audifort there. The prices are great. There is a money-back guarantee, and there's so many cool details and infos about it there too, all right? Now, how it works is pretty interesting though. You see, this supplement, it seeks to support hearing via a three-pronged natural strategy. So step one, it's going to improve circulation to your auditory system by using green tea and grapeseed, natural ingredients. And then step two, it combats inflammation and oxidative damage using capsicum, Panax ginseng, and other antioxidants. And step three, it supports auditory brain connection and mental focus by using GABA, maca, and ginseng. So the beauty of Audifort is that it uses only natural ingredients to do all of this. That's why this is a healthy supplement. It's a supplement that has no side effects, that has no contraindications, and anyone can use it. So if you are a person who is also struggling with tinnitus, which is such an annoying condition, right? It distracts you, it removes your focus. You can't pretty much do anything because that buzzing, ringing, or ticking sound is always in there. It goes right to the root cause of your tinnitus. It discovers that problem and it starts fixing it directly from the root. So Audifort is a fantastic supplement to help you with your auditory system, with your brain as well. And it offers a thoughtfully combined blend of natural ingredients aimed at enhancing your ears' health by reducing inflammation and sharpening auditory brain connection. So if you're experiencing as well mild hearing issues, or you just want to support long-term ear health, Audifort could be worth trying, guys, okay? Don't forget, there is a money-back guarantee in case you don't like it. You simply request a refund on their official webpage. But remember, the treatment should last 3 or 6 months. So just be very, very careful with your treatment and remember to use it every single day, okay? Hope I helped you guys out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.